How to turn off biometrics on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your iPhone. Once you're here, scroll down to find and tap on Face ID and Passcode. You will then be prompted to enter your passcode to access these settings. Here, you can manage exactly where your biometric data is used. Under the Use Face ID for section, tap the toggle switches for iTunes and App Store to turn it off. Also, turn off the switch for the contactless and payment option. To completely remove all stored biometric data from the device, scroll down to the bottom of the page. Tap on Reset Face ID to proceed. This action will immediately remove all existing Face ID data from your device, allowing you to set it up again from scratch. Following these steps, you can easily turn off biometrics on an iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.